At the end of this video, you should be able to solve the unbalanced assignment problem with the help of Hungarian method. There are various variations of an assignment problem like maximization type of assignment problem or unbalanced assignment problem. So here we are going to solve one unbalanced assignment problem. Problem statement is like this. A hospital wants to purchase 3 different medical equipments and 4 different manufacturers are available to supply. Hospital will accept only one type of equipment from one manufacturer. Data related to price in lakhs is given in following table. Which equipment is to be purchased from which manufacturer so as to minimize the cost? So M1, M2, M3, M4 are the 4 manufacturers and they are ready to provide 3 types of equipments E1, E2 and E3, and cost by each manufacturer is quoted in this table. Now you can note that there are 4 different manufacturers but there is a requirement of only 3 equipments. So as number of rows are not matching with the number of columns, these problems become an unbalanced assignment problem. And to solve this kind of problem, we have to add one dummy column as number of columns are less than the number of rows so as to make it balanced. So moving to the next step. Now here I have reproduced the problem given to us. So also I have added one column as a dummy column because number of rows are 4 and we want to make the number of columns equal to number of rows. Now to this dummy columns we will assign the cost equal to 0. Now we can solve this problem with our usual method. The first step is to get the row minimization matrix. In row minimization, we select the smallest element in each row and we subtract that element from all the elements from that row. Now here you can note that every element in this matrix have a minimum element of 0, so there is no point in making a row minimization because it will not going to make any changes in the table after row minimization. So we will move to the next step that is called as an column minimization. In column minimization, we select a smallest element from each column. So we will select smallest element from each column and we will subtract that element from all the elements. So from this particular first column, 10 minus 3, 3 minus 3, 10 minus 3, 7 minus 3. In second column, it will be 5 minus 5, 9 minus 5, 7 minus 5 and 11 minus 5. From this third column, it will be 13 minus 2, 18 minus 2, 2 minus 2 and 9 minus 2. And in fourth column, there will not be a change. So if I calculate this, we will get this as a resulting matrix. Now we have one element, one 0 element in each row and there is one 0 element in each column. So now we can make the assignments. So the rule is that scan the rows and select such a row which is having exactly one uncrossed 0. So this row number 4 is having only one uncrossed 0. So I will make my first allocation at this point. So this is my first allocation and I will cross all the zeros corresponding to that row or column. So I have crossed all these three zeros from this column. There are no zeros in this row. So now I will scan the columns. If I scan first column, I will get only 1 0. So I will make allocation at this point, and there are no zeros in this particular column or in corresponding row. So I will move to the next column. So here I am getting only one uncrossed or unassigned 0. So I can make assignment over here. Again, there are no 0 in this particular column or in this particular row. So I will go to the third column, and here also I am getting only one uncrossed 0. And I have made a final assignment over here. If you take a look at the assignments that we have got, this equipment E1 is to be purchased from this manufacturer 2. Equipment E2 is to be purchased from this manufacturer 1. And equipment 3 is to be purchased from this manufacturer 3. And we are not purchasing anything from this manufacturer 4. So the total cost of purchase will be 3 plus 5 plus 2 is equal to 10 lakhs, and this is the minimum possible cost for this problem. Thank you.